Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make WhatsApp link device main device. You can directly promote a link device to become the primary device, since only the smartphone with your SIM card can host the account. To switch your primary device, first back up your WhatsApp data on your current phone using Google Drive or iCloud, and make sure your phone number is active on the SIM card for verification. Next, unlink or delete WhatsApp from the old primary device by going to the settings, link devices, and logging out of all linked devices, or uninstall the app entirely. Keep in mind this will log out every linked device, including the one you want to use. Then install WhatsApp on the device you want as your new primary, log in your phone number, restore your backup, add your device, will now serve as the main account host. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.